Hello friends, so today we're going to make a boy out of the word boy. So I'm just going to write the word boy in all lowercase. And now the upper line of the B and the second line of the Y will be connected. And now the lower line and the lower line of the Y will be connected. Now the Y first line will be its outline of the hair. There will be two dots for the eyes in the O and the B. There will just be a L for the nose and a smile. So now I'm just going to put the neck and its shoulders, and now its hands with the fingers. Now same for the second side. And now I'll just put a line at the bottom, put it to its two knee parts. Now put its two legs with a circle on the bottom, and that will be your boy with its body. Thank you for watching, and bye.